Have you ever wondered what's more real, the physical world around you, or the ideas that shape your perception of it? This age-old conundrum is at the heart of two philosophical views, idealism and materialism. Idealism holds that reality is fundamentally mental, and everything we perceive is a construct of mind. It posits that ideas, thoughts, and consciousness shape reality. It's as if the world exists as a dream, a complex layering of abstract ideas that conceive our collective experiences. Materialism, on the other hand, argues that reality is grounded in the physical world. It asserts that matter is the primary substance of life, and that consciousness and ideas are byproducts of material interactions. It's like saying the world exists as a tangible, measurable entity, independent of our thoughts and perceptions. Now, isn't it fascinating how these two views offer such contrasting takes on reality? On one hand, we have idealism, painting a picture of reality as a grand symphony of abstract thoughts and ideas that the physical world is a demonstration of for an observer. On the other, we have materialism depicting reality as a tangible and concrete entity, independent of our thoughts. And the mind, being a byproduct of the physical world, often fails at grasping it. In this view, consciousness is a random mutation that arose out of the predetermined physical condition of nature. But here's where things get even more interesting. Materialism, in its quest to ground everything in the physical, ironically ends up proposing the most abstract concept of all, matter. We can't perceive matter independently, separate from the objects it forms. In a sense, matter is an abstract concept, only existing for us through the things it constitutes. This is where empirical science, often associated with materialism, seems to stumble upon a paradox. It dismisses abstract notions for lacking concrete reality, yet its own foundations rest on an abstract concept, matter. There is no single object called matter, but instead, all sensible objects share in the form of being material. Matter is therefore a form for all sensible objects. The question then arises, are we missing something? Are we perhaps dismissing the abstract too quickly just because it doesn't fit our conventional understanding of reality? Consider numbers. They're abstract entities, yet they accurately represent physical objects. They're not tangible, yet we can't deny their existence or their crucial role in our understanding of the world. This is where idealism bears a fundamental role. It acknowledges that the true nature of the objects we perceive is inherently abstract. These objects are manifestations of a form, an idea or concept that they represent. The form may be abstract, but it's as real as the object itself. Abstract is the true realm where total reality exists. In this state, all objects exists in a potential state of either being or non-being. An object becomes physical or material when it interacts with the sense organs of an observer. The idea of matter, however, goes further to suggest that all objects, whether directly perceived or not, have the potential of being material or real in the world. So where does that leave us? It seems that both idealism and materialism offer limited insights that are valuable when properly related together into a complete synthesis. Idealism reminds us that our ideas and perceptions shape our reality, while materialism emphasizes the tangible, physical world around us. But perhaps the key is not to see these views as mutually exclusive, but rather as two sides of the same coin. After all, isn't reality a complex blend of the abstract and the concrete, the mental and the physical, the idea and the matter?